everyone, this is Shalaka Hire, a PhD scholar at Symbiosis Institute of Technology, Pune, India. Well, you must be wondering then what am I doing here in Loughborough University, UK? Well, now let me share with the extreme support of Symbiosis Institute of Technology how I was able to reach this beautiful place. 2 years ago, I have started my PhD in the area of building information modeling under the guidance of Dr. Saili Sandbor, who is extremely supportive and encouraging towards my research. This international university is recognized for having an international exposure, and it collaborates with well-known international universities, which enables students to study and work in an international capacity. One of the collaboration happened with Loughborough University, which is one of the prominent universities across the globe. Through this collaboration, I got an opportunity to meet Dr. Kirti Ruikar, who is now my co-supervisor from Loughborough University, who brought an international level expertise to my research. So this is the building where currently I am conducting my research. I am so glad that this collaboration between Symbiosis and Loughborough happened, which led me to publish the papers in journals of international standing. I have been awarded with one of the prestigious scholarship, that is Commonwealth Split Site Scholarship, which allowed me to come here and conduct my research in Loughborough University with full financial support. So this collaboration facilitated by Commonwealth Scholarship enables the cross-institutional research and teaching between two universities that have a legacy of international strategy. And because of this, I was able to broaden the applicability of my research beyond the local Indian context to the global context. All this would have not been possible without the extreme support of my two supervisors, Symbiosis Institute of Technology. I would also like to thank entire Civil Engineering Department, Symbiosis International University and Symbiosis Center for Research and Innovation for opening the new doors to broaden the horizon of my research.